Welcome to Science Wednesday. Let's experiment. Watch out, there could be a sneaky trick answer. Maybe. What is the main function of hemoglobin found in red blood cells? That's right, to transport oxygen. Which of these is not a primary function of the skeletal system? Nailed it, nutrient absorption. If you were to drop a bowling ball and a feather in a vacuum, where there is no air resistance, correct, what would happen? They would hit the ground at the same time. Which of the following materials is the best insulator? Correct, fiberglass. What is the process called when a gas changes directly into a solid? You got it, deposition. Which type of lens converges light rays to a single point? Correct, convex lens. What tough, fibrous membrane covers and protects the outer surface of bones? You got it, periosteum. A high-pitched sound wave has a fan wavelength and a Hall frequency. Nailed it, shorter, higher. Which of the following is a common use for magnets in everyday life? Correct. Storing digital information on hard drives. Why is the magnetic field created by an electromagnet temporary, unlike a permanent magnet? Correct. The magnetic field only exists when electric current is flowing. History drops tomorrow.